It's your girl Moy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. It's been a while since I've done a makeup look and I definitely want to do one for you guys. So my friend sent me this makeup look right here. I'm not sure who the creator is, but I'll go ahead and tag her name in the description if I can find it, or on the screen if I can find it. But this photo is what I'll be recreating. I've always wanted to do like a little illusion kind of look, and I think it's the perfect opportunity to do it now. And yeah, so also guys, do you like my new video quality? Is it good? Is it popping? Like, what do y'all think? I'm currently recording with my Rebel SL2. So far I think it's kind of nice, it's kind of decent. I'm seeing it in the monitor right here, and so far so good. I just need to get me a 55 or a 50mm lens, and yeah, it's gonna be popping. It's gonna be popping. But yeah, so far I have my background done. If you don't know what a background is, it's basically when you apply your foundation, your concealer, and color corrector, stuff like that. That gives you your background. And I did my eyebrows. Kind of look a little bit raggedy, but it is what it is. Today we're just gonna go for it. If I sound a little bit weird, I still have a cold. It is what it is. Can't really do much, but yeah, let's just get onto the video. So like I said, I already have my foundation on, already have my background done. So I'm gonna go in and start doing the line, as you can see right that she had right there. So let's do that cutout, and I'm gonna use my pencil in espresso, and let's see if we can do that. Alright, so we have that line cut out like that. For the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my James Charles palette. Got all those beautiful colors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use like this color here, the orange here, and the red there. And I'm gonna use the pink right here that has a little bit of sparkle in it. Since her look does have a little bit of gold, I don't have any gold sprinkles, but I do have a gold shade in that same James Charles palette that I can use, which is this one right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that a little bit in. I'm also gonna wet it with my brush with some NYX dewy spray. And that's just gonna hold the product a little bit more and let it look a lot more shinier. Now I'm gonna just go in with one of these brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the orange and put it at the bottom. I'll be mixing these two shades of orange that's right here. I'll put a darker one at the top and then blend it out with the lighter one. Then I'm going with a clean brush and just blend that. Hers seem to be a little bit higher, so I'm gonna bring that up a bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of purple too, like a dark purple, and just blend it with that. Just blend it out with the purple. Alright, now that we have that part out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and work on the other section. All she has is liner on that side. So we're gonna do liquid liner for both. And I have this L'Oreal Super Slim liquid liner. And that's actually pretty good. My liquid liners are normally pretty crap, not gonna lie, but I'm not winging it out. I'm just doing that. Next we can go in with our line. We're just gonna make our line darker around the edges, so let's work on that. So I did this part a little bit too broad, but we're gonna fix it as we go along. Right here, just a little bit, but it's fine. It is what it is. Next we're gonna go in with, like, let's see. We're gonna use a little bit of this brown and a little bit of that black, and we'll just mix and see and blend and all of that. So I think that's okay. Looks kind of decent. I'm gonna add another shade of brown around it. So I'm just gonna narrow down my face so you can see, you can't see these parts. Like on the photo, she has it cut off like about here, and everything else is black. And then just the same for about her middle of her eyebrow to about here, everything else is black there, and then coming around. So I'm gonna do that. I should actually be using like the black makeup paint, but I don't have any. That's why I'm using this. But if you have black makeup paint, use it. If you want to use black eyeshadow, use it. You do not have to use this if you're trying to do this look. I'm just doing this because this is the darkest thing I have right now. She has this, comes all the way down to her chin, like right here. So I'm going to do mine from about here. Now I'm gonna go in with my navy chestnut. I'm gonna mix that with the rose brown from the Nabby collection, just the same. That's how that looks. So this is pretty much it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos and insert them, and then y'all let me know what y'all think. But so far, this is how it looks on the video, and then this is how it looks on photos. And that's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and give it a like if you like how this turned out. Let me know in the comments down below, was this a win or was this a L? And share this video with a friend or a family member, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.